This is a rare car amongst other rare cars. But this one is extra rare because it is one of 12 1971 Hemi Cuda convertibles built. This one was actually exported to France. Story goes that it was ordered by a French novelist who said that her Jaguar wasn't getting her to the casino fast enough, Monte Carlo casinos. So she ordered this Hemi convertible automatic torque flight car, but she also wanted power windows, rim blow steering wheel, rally dash. She got the rally wheels, and she ordered it with the billboards to let everybody know that she's coming. You probably know all the Hemi cars, Hemi Cudas came with shaker hoods, every single one of them. This is also the last Hemi convertible built. There were no 71 Challenger convertible Hemi cars built. So this is the last E-body convertible built. Also, I can't see it from here, but the speedometer is in the odometer and the speedometer are both in kilometers, obviously, it being an export car. Also, if the hood was open, I could show you it has a fender tag that shows that it's an export car as well as just a regular US one. But she ordered it through her Simca dealership, SIMCA, which is crazy because this was already an expensive car, being a convertible. Then you add the Hemi, which was like $780 something option. So you have like a quarter of the cost of the car in just the engine. And then you ship it to France, where you're paying by the liter and driving on smaller roads. But this is just, it's the color she wanted. She wanted billboards, black interior, paid extra for the leather interior. You know, just didn't care about the expense that I wanted. Can you imagine ripping through France in this? So a French collector found this car and bought it from her, and then through the years ended up coming to the United States and ended up here in her brother's collection. I like this dude. They did good details on here. It has drum brakes, obviously, in the back. They were painted red. If you had a rally wheel, if it was a steel wheel, it wouldn't be painted red, but it's just an amazing car. I mean, what do you think this is worth? 3.5 million, maybe? You know, it's got hood pins. She didn't even spring for a passenger mirror. It still has the base chrome mirror over there, not even a deluxe mirror, no sport mirrors, just the base. And nothing here. So, which would have been interesting, because in France, I believe they're driving the other side of the road. Just a gorgeous car. Turn signal indicators, hood pins. Power windows was an expensive option also. So she has a map light also. You know, just an amazing car. It's cool to see it so close. See if we can get a shot of the underside. Not really, but I mean, restored to the nines. I really like the 71 Cudas with the gold wing on it. But yeah, man. Only 12 Hemi E-body convertibles. We out.